So I've been asked to have a look at this electric guitar. I know nothing about these, so I'm just learning. The pickups are different to what I thought. They just seem to have like magnets in the centre. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, imagine for each string. And what looks like a coil of wire going round the outside. So when you strum your string, you must set up like an alternating signal, and it can obviously, the signal will have 6 different frequencies going down this wire by the looks of it. And it looks like it goes to the volume, which is a potentiometer, and the tone just dumps some of them frequencies to earth via that capacitor by the looks of it, but I'm not 100% certain. But you can easily test these pots. So all you need to do is just connect on one wire. I'll try on the volume. So 8,000, that's picking up the pickup, so it looks like you have to take that off if you're going to test that. I'll try it on this one. It goes from 0 to 500 megaohms, so 500k, sorry, 0.5 megaohms, so that's 500k, so that's right. Ain't getting a good signal that, but that's easy to test the pots. Just connect your wires and turn them. Make sure it goes from 0 to 500. Okay. There's a capacitor there, you can check that. I'm expecting this to be about 47 nanofarads. .57 nanofarads, so that tests good as well, the capacitor. So it's easy to test the pots and the capacitors. I think this is the problem with this guitar. This pickup coil, well, I've got to do a bit more study yet, I might be wrong. Now reading good. That was reading 0 before, like a short circuit, but now it's reading good. So I don't know what's happened there. It looks like it could have touching wires inside. Well, it seems to be reading good now, so just take your wire off. There's only 2 wires on them. Connect from one side to the other. 8,000, 8.2 kilo ohms. So pretty easy to test them. Then the switch I ain't figured out yet. I've got to do some more research on that. There's a lot of wires going to that. I don't know how the second tone works neither. Looks like this one just dumps frequency to earth, but what this one does and how it works I don't know. So anyway, I'll carry on looking.